Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our third chapter of management accounting is budget as a tool for decision making. Here the contents of chapter is given. In that first point is budget and budgetary control, budgetary committee, features of budgetary control, objectives of budgetary control, steps in budgetary control, key factors, sales budget, purchase budget, cash budget, master budget, and the last point is classification of budget according to flexibility. The budget and budgetary control. First we have to know what is budget. Budget is nothing but the estimated income and expenses which company will occur in future. Here the meaning of budget is given. In the business world, a budget is a formal expression or a forecast or an estimate of expected income and expenditure for a definite future period. Budgeting plays an important role in developing and use of modern cost accounting system in all type of business enterprises. Here, budget is nothing but the summary of income and expenditure that will occur in future, and according to that the company has to prepare each and every activity so that the future expectation can be fulfilled easily. बजेट हे कशासाठी प्रिपेअर केलं जातं? टू अकम्प्लिश अ फ्युचर नीड ऑफ कंपनी. कंपनीला फ्युचरमध्ये किती इन्कम होणार आहे किंवा एक्सपेन्सेस होणार आहे त्याचं एक समरी किंवा त्याचं एक एस्टिमेटेड रिपोर्ट तयार केलं जातं, त्याला म्हणतात बजेट. राईट. इथे बजेटची डेफिनेशन दिलेली आहे. द इन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ कॉस्ट अँड वर्क अकाउंटंट ऑफ इंग्लंड डिफाइन्स अ बजेट ॲज अ फायनान्शियल or a qualitative statement prepared prior to a defined period of time of the policy to pursue during that period for the purpose of attaining a given objective. It means why the budget is prepared by the business organization to maintain or to maintain its business activity or to regulate its business activity in the future period of time. Budget is nothing but the timetable is prepared by the business organization. According to that, the future activities are conducted by the business organization. Now we move towards next point, that is characteristics of budget. Now let us see characteristics of budget. In that first point is a period of time to be fixed to achieve the objective. What are the objective of the business organization? To earn a maximum profit, to expand a business, that can be considered as an objective of the business organization. To accomplish this objective, the budget is very much necessary. Because of budget, we can estimate the future expenses which will incurred in the business organization. बजेटमुळे काय होतं की आपल्याला फ्युचरमध्ये जे पण काही एक्सपेन्सेस करायचे किंवा ज्या गोष्टी मॅनेज करायच्या जेणेकरून आपलं काय होणार आहे, जे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहे कंपनीचं ते ॲटोमॅटिकली अचीव होणार आहे, त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला बजेट हे तयार करावं लागतं. द नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज फोरकास्ट प्रिपरेशन. फोरकास्ट प्रिपरेशन मीन्स whatever activities will be held in future, that should be forecast now. Why? Because every business organization is having thousands of transactions, and for accomplishment of each transaction financial resources are necessary or any other resources are necessary. So whenever company is in need of that resources, that time it cannot be easily available. But if the company go for preparing a proper budget, making a proper requirement of that particular aspect, then automatically the future need of that particular aspect can be fulfilled easily. Then next point is determination of the policies. Determination of policies means every business organization is consist of different policies and procedures. In each and every department of the business organization, different policies are followed by the employees. Why such policies are formed? That policies are formed to regulate the business activity on regular basis. So the budget helps to provide a determination of policies for the business organization. बजेटमुळे काय होतं, कंपनीच्या वेरियस डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये पॉलिसीज फॉर्म करणं इझी होतं. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज कम्प्युटेशन ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वांटिफाईज अँड व्हॅल्यूज टू अचीव द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह अँड फुलफिल द पॉलिसीज of the management, that is material required for the forecast, manpower required, equipment required, etc. Because of the budget, the company comes to know the needs of the business organization. The business organization needs different kinds of resources. Manpower is also considered as resources, then material, then equipment, etc. Such things should be get available easily for the business organization, and for that purpose the budget is prepared. In that budget, the actual requirement of that necessary resources are given, and according to that these resources are made available with the business organization. Next point is a review of the forecast, policies and preliminary budget, amend or modify the forecast and policies if necessary. As I told you, every company is working on certain plans and policies, and such policies are formed on the basis of budget. If the company wants to change a policies of the business organization, then they have to first change the budget. In that budget, if certain changes are given, according to that the policies are changed and modified in the business organization, because each and every year same budget cannot be applied in the business organization. As per the changing circumstances, the business organization has to make certain changes. So such changes are made in budget, and according to that the plans and policies of the business organizations are changed. The next point is acceptance of the budget, which become the approved budget. Acceptance of the budget means the certain budget which is prepared by the business organization should be accepted by the each and every levels of business management. Business management is consist of 3 levels. First is top, second is middle, third is lower level. So the budget should be accept or agreed by the all these 3 levels. After that only such budget is approved and implemented by the business organization. So these are some characteristics of budget. Then we move towards next point is objective of setting of budget. Why budget is set by the business organization, or what is the objective behind setting of budget? In that first point is it serves as declaration of policy. As I told you before, on the basis of budget the policies of the business organizations are formed. Means policy regarding selling of goods, policies regarding purchase of goods, policies regarding administration, all these policies are formed as per the budget. Budget means the actual amount available with the organization for the future activities. So according to that the business policies are formed. Next point is it defines the objective/target for executives at all the levels of management. Because of the budget, the objective of the business organization or target of the business organization is very clear. That suppose a business organization is preparing a financial budget, then their objective is clear that they have to earn maximum profit because it is related to finance activity. So according to the type of budget, the all levels of management comes to know about their responsibilities, and according to that they work, and automatically the objective of the business organization can be achieved successfully. The next point is it provides a means of coordination of business activities. The business is consist of many things or many departments or many people. It is very much necessary that there should be a proper coordination within them. There are 3 levels of management. There are different persons are working in the same organization, but there should be a proper coordination. And budget of the business organization is consist of each and every activity. So the proper coordination between the levels of management as well as the people working for the organization is maintained properly. Next point is it provides a means of communication. For preparation or for finalization of budget, the proper coordination and communication between 3 levels of management is very much necessary. After approval of all these 3 levels, the budget is fixed by the business organization. So it helps to provide a means of communication. Next point is it facilitates centralized control. Centralized control means the powers or authorities is in the hands of few people and others have to behave according to that. Is called as centralized control. Means a few authorities or may say top level authorities control the activities of lower level management and middle level management. Therefore, it helps to centralize the activity. If top level management have given some work to the middle level management, and middle level management what will they do? They share their work with the lower level management. Means the centralized way of work is followed by setting the budget. So these are some objectives of setting a budget. Then our next point is budgetary control. Now we have studied what is budget. ठीक है, it is an estimated activities of future, right? Now what is budgetary control? In budget we are studying income and expenditure related to business organization, but if the income and expenditure are not in the proper proportion, then what will happen? Automatically the business organization cannot survive properly, right? If the receipt is less and expenditures are more, then what will happen? If the company spending is more and their earning is low, then what will happen? The company cannot achieve its objective as well as the company will be slow down or come to an end. So to avoid such situation, what company do? The top level management go for budgetary control. Budgetary control means nothing but controlling the activities relating to formation of budget. Means within the budget all the activities should be appropriately mentioned, and the activities or expenses which are not required for the business organization that are removed from the budget is called as budgetary control. Here the meaning is given: control exercise for the execution of budgets is termed as budgetary control. It is a system which uses a budget as a means of planning and controlling all aspects of producing and or selling commodities or services. Budgetary control is designed to evaluate the performance in terms of goals budget through budget report and to take the corrective actions if needed. Budget control result from implementation of policy. Here company go for implementation of policy and analyzing the work done by the different departments. If the company thinks or the company comes to know that certain expenses can be avoided, so the what company do? Company started controlling the budget. Budgetary control means analyzing the ongoing business activity and comparing that activity with an existing budget. इथे काय केलं जातं? बजेटरी कंट्रोल म्हणजे की कंपनीला त्यांचे एक्सपेन्सेस किंवा त्यांचं जो ट्रान्झॅक्शन आहेत ते कुठेतरी कंट्रोल करणं गरजेचं आहे. ठीक आहे. जर हे एक्सपेन्सेस किंवा ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स हे आपल्या कंपनीने अर्न केलेल्या इन्कमपेक्षा जास्त एक्सपेन्सेस होतात आहेत तर कंपनी प्रॉफिट अर्न करू शकत नाही, प्लस कंपनी ग्रो होऊ शकत नाही. अशा वेळी कंपनीने काय केलं पाहिजे? कंपनीने हा बजेट कंट्रोल करणं गरजेचं आहे. कंट्रोल म्हणजे काय करणार इथे कंपनी? की जेवढे पण कंपनीमध्ये डिपार्टमेंट्स आहेत त्याचं इंडिव्हिज्युअल ॲनालिसिस करणार आणि जिथे अनवॉन्टेड थिंग्स आहेत किंवा ज्या गोष्टी कंपनीच्या ग्रोथसाठी नेसेसरी नाही आहेत त्या तिथून रिमूव्ह करणार. ठीक आहे. देन डेफिनेशन इथं दिलेली आहे. बजेटरी कंट्रोल इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ कंपेअरिंग ॲक्च्युअल रिझल्ट विथ द करस्पॉन्डिंग बजेट डेटा इन ऑर्डर टू अप्रूव्ह. बजेटरी कंट्रोल म्हणजे काय सांगितलं मी तुम्हाला? जी ॲक्च्युअल सिच्युएशन आहे बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशनची त्याच्याशी हा बजेट आहे हा कंपेअर केला जातो आणि जे पण डिफरन्सेस असतील त्याच्यावर त्याचं ॲनालिसिस केलं जातं आणि त्याच्या अकॉर्डिंग चेंजेस करून बजेट ॲप्रूव्ह केलं जातं. ठीक आहे. अकम्प्लिशमेंट ऑर टू रेमेडी डिफरन्सेस बाय आयदर ॲडजस्टिंग द बजेट एस्टिमेट or correcting the causes of differences. A budget is a means and the budgetary control is the end result. A budget is a means म्हणजे बजेट म्हणजे आपल्याला अवेलेबल असणारे एंड रिसोर्सेस आहेत. ठीक आहे. आणि बजेटरी कंट्रोल म्हणजे की जे पण आपण रिसोर्सेस आपल्याकडे आहे ते युटिलाइज करून आउटकम जो पण येईल आपण ॲक्टिव्हिटीज कंट्रोल करून ज्याचा आउटकम येईल त्याला म्हणतात बजेटरी कंट्रोल. ठीक आहे. आता आपण पुढच्या पॉईंटकडे वळूया. तो आहे बजेटरी कंट्रोल इन्व्हॉल्व्स. आता बजेटरी कंट्रोलमध्ये कोणत्या कोणत्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज किंवा गोष्टी ह्या इन्व्हॉल्व्ड असतात? फर्स्ट आहे फिक्सिंग द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ एक्झिक्युटिव्ह अँड मॅनेजर. इथे बजेटिंग कंट्रोलमध्ये काय केलं जातं की ज्या पण वेगवेगळ्या लेवलचे मॅनेजर्स आहेत त्यांच्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कंट्रोल केल्या जातात. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज एस्टॅब्लिशिंग और सेटिंग अप ऑफ व्हेरियस बजेट. हियर व्हेरियस सब बजेट्स आर प्रिपेअर बाय द बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशन फॉर डिफरंट युनिट. मीन्स सेल्स बजेट, परचेस बजेट. हे कशासाठी म्हणाले जातात? हे स्मॉल साईज बजेट आहेत जे एका पर्टिक्युलर डिपार्टमेंटला लागू होतात. तर हे बजेट कसे तयार करायचे आणि मग ते बजेट इम्प्लिमेंट कसे करायचे हे पण बजेटरी कंट्रोलमध्ये सांगितलं जातं. देन रेकॉर्डिंग ऑफ ॲक्च्युअल ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स. ॲज आय टोल्ड यू बजेट म्हणजे हे एक एस्टिमेशन आहे. इट इज नॉट ट्रू अँड फेअर बट इट इज अन एस्टिमेटेड व्हॅल्यू और एस्टिमेटेड स्टेटमेंट. तर हे एस्टिमेटेड स्टेटमेंट कशाशी कंपेअर केलं जातं? बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये ॲक्च्युअल चाललेल्या गोष्टी आहेत त्याच्याशी हे कंपेअर केलं जातं आणि त्याच्या अकॉर्डिंग त्याच्यामध्ये चेंजेस केले जातात. देन कंपॅरिझन ऑफ ॲक्च्युअल रिझल्ट विथ बजेट. वाय कंपनी गो फॉर प्रिपेअरिंग बजेट? बिकॉज दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग सम रिझल्ट और सम आउटकम फ्रॉम इट. ठीक आहे. बजेट तयार का केला गेलेला आहे की आपण फ्युचरमध्ये हा बजेट इम्प्लिमेंट केल्यानंतर त्यातून आपल्याला एंड रिझल्ट काय भेटेल ते स्टडी करण्यासाठी बजेटरी कंट्रोल केलं जातं किंवा बजेट प्रिपेअर केलं जातं. मग हे बजेटचं जे एक्सपेक्टेशन आहे ते ॲक्च्युअल रिझल्टशी कंपेअर केलं जातं. ठीक आहे. देन कॅल्क्युलेट बजेट डेव्हिएशन्स. कॅल्क्युलेट बजेट डेव्हिएशन मीन्स देर आर डिफरंट काइंड्स ऑफ ॲक्टिव्हिटीज कंडक्टेड इन द बजेटरी सिस्टीम. बजेटरी सिस्टीममध्ये काय केलं जातं, डिफरंट लेवल्स ऑफ ॲक्टिव्हिटीज स्टडी केल्या जातात आणि अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट बजेट इज कंट्रोल्ड. Then next point is calculate budget deviations. Then investigation into the causes of deviation. Investigation into causes of deviation means why deviations occurred in the business organization, that are studied in budgetary control. Then take corrective measures if and where necessary to bring the actual close to the budget. Every companies try to matches their actual performance with the budget, and therefore here corrective measures if necessary, then such measures are taken or considered for preparation of budget. So these are some points which are involved in budgetary control. Then our next point is meaning of budgeting. Meaning of budgeting means the term budgeting is frequently used for preparing budget and other concerned procedure in their use in planning, coordination and control of the business enterprises. Budgeting is a wide term and include not only budgetary control but also budget preparation, planning and using the budget report. Budgeting means preparation of budget. Whatever things or whatever points to be considered for preparation of budget is considered over here is called as budgeting. It is nothing but the preparation of budget or taking a appropriate decision regarding preparation of budget. Then next point is budgetary committee. A budgetary committee is one which prepare the budget and is fully responsible for implementation of budget. Moreover, the budget committee is also exercise control. Budget committee means it is a committee of the authorized person or qualified person which come together for preparation of budget. इथे काय एक अथॉरिटी आहे किंवा क्वालिफाईड पर्सनचा ग्रुप आहे, ते काय करतात, दे आर प्रिपेअरिंग बजेट, इज कॉल्ड ॲज बजेटरी कमिटी. ज्या प्रकारे बजेटरी कमिटी बजेट प्रिपेअर करते त्याच प्रकारे बजेटरी कमिटी बजेट इम्प्लिमेंटेशनसाठी पण रिस्पॉन्सिबल असते. बजेट ऑफिसर इज इनफ टू कोऑर्डिनेट टू द ऑल वर्क लाइन मॅनेजर्स टू एक्झिक्यूट ही बजेट इन स्मॉल बिझनेस कन्सर्न. बजेट ऑफिसर म्हणजे कोण? अ पर्सन हू इज प्रिपेअर और हू इज इम्प्लिमेंटिंग बजेट. what he do, he segregate the work and distribute it among the all managers which are working in the business organization. Now here the functions of budget committee is given. The general policies and the objective of the organizations are decided. Because of budget or budget committee, what they are considering, all the general policies and objective of the business organizations are considered for preparation of budget. The next point is it extends assistance to line manager for forecasting by the supplying historical data. Budgetary committee, what they do, they collect all historical data for their review. आधीच्या बजेटमध्ये काय पॉलिसीज फॉर्म केल्या गेल्या आहेत, त्याच्या आधीच्या बजेटमध्ये आपण काय डिसाईड केलं होतं, ह्या सगळ्या हिस्टॉरिकल जो डेटा आहे तो घेऊन ॲनलाइज करून त्याच्या बेसिसवर नवीन बजेट हा प्रिपेअर केला जातो. देन इट रिसीव्स अँड रिव्ह्यू द इंडिव्हिज्युअल बजेट एस्टिमेट्स अँड डिफरंट डिपार्टमेंट्स / डिव्हिजन्स. बजेट कमिटी काय करतं, वेगवेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटकडून इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करतं, ठीक आहे, आणि त्याच्यावर आधारित नवीन बजेट हा एस्टिमेटेड बजेट हा तयार करत असतं. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज इट रिसीव इन्स्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम द चीफ एक्झिक्युटिव्ह अँड गिव्ह इन्स्ट्रक्शन टू लाईन मॅनेजर. Budgetary committee, what they do, they are giving instruction to chief executive as well as to the line manager. Line manager means the managers of different departments. So here what they do, they are giving instruction to their subordinate and collecting information and analyze it properly, and on that basis they are go for preparing the final budget. Okay, then next point is it gives suggestion and modification in budget in accordance with the organization objective. It is a duty of the budgetary committee to provide suggestions and modification in the actual budget. It approves the revised budget. Revised budget means if the company is using the previous budget for the next year, then the budgetary committee has to revise some guidelines and approve that guidelines. After that, that budget is considered for the future. Next point is it receives and investigate accomplishment regarding particular practical implementation of budget. After the completion of budget, the budgetary committee go for implementation of the budget, or practically how it used or how it is utilized is studied by the budgetary committee. The next point is it identifies responsibilities of poor performance and recommended corrective actions if necessary. If the committee prepare a budget and it is distributed among the managers or among the subordinates for implementation purpose, if the employees fail to utilize or fail to implement budget properly, or their performance is poor, then at that time corrective measures are given by the budgetary committee. Next point is it gives suggestions, it improve efficiency and achieve budgetary control. If budgetary company feel to give some suggestion or some guidelines regarding improvement or efficiency of the budget, then they are responsible for giving recommendation. Next point is it coordinates the budgetary control program. The budgetary committee coordinate with their subordinate as well as levels of management, and according to that the budgetary control is programmed. So these are some functions of budgetary committee. Then next point is features of budgetary control. First is planning. If the company wants to or the budgetary committee wants to control budget, then first they have to plan the activities. As I told you before, budgetary control means remove the unwanted things from the existing budget. ज्या गोष्टी आपल्या बजेटला गरजेचं नाही आहेत किंवा एक्सेस आहेत, समजा कंपनीने एक्सेस स्टाफ अपॉइंट केला आहे विच इज नॉट नेसेसरी. इफ कंपनी purchase excess raw material which is not necessary for the growth of the business, then such things are removed from the business organization, or certain policies are formed to remove such unwanted things. So for that purpose planning plays an important role. The company has to plan its activity properly, and after that only the budgetary control can be possible. Then coordination. There are different departments in the business organization. Proper coordination is very much necessary, and this is one of the feature of budgetary control. The budgetary company coordinate with each and every department, and according to that the budgetary control is done. The next point is control. Because of the budgetary committee, it is possible to control the unwanted things occurred or happening in the business organization. Then here objective of budgetary controls are given. To achieve firm objective effectively. Second one is determining the aims and target of business. Third one is fixing the responsibilities. Then performance evaluation, making best use of available resources, help to centralize control, to plan and control capital expenditure, to plan and control research and development activities, to draw long-range plan with the fair accuracy, provide a basis for revising the current and future policies. So these are some objective of budgetary control. Budgetary control's objective is control activities or centralize the business working so that the company can control its budget and the budget will be implemented successfully. If the budget of the company is implemented successfully, automatically company will earn more profit or company will achieve its objective very easily. Then next point is procedure or steps in budgetary control. Here the procedure is followed by the budgetary committee for budgetary control. In that first point is establishment of budget centers. The next is preparation of organization chart. Third one is preparation of adequate accounting records. Then establishment of budget committee, preparation of budget manual, then fixation of budget period, laying down levels of activity, then determination of key factors. So these are some steps which is followed by the budgetary committee for setting the budgetary control. First, the budgetary committee have to establish a budget center. Budget center means they have to form a committee which will look after the work relating to budgetary control. The areas of the business organizations which are having excess budgetary expenses or which are where the budget is lying down, such areas are studied here properly. Then preparation of an organization chart. Preparation of organization chart, here the activities or the authorities of the business organization is given to a proper person so that the budget can be controlled easily. Here a single person is not controlling budget. The budgetary company studied each and every department and each and every department given certain review or certain rules to accomplish the procedure. Then preparation of adequate accounting record. It is essential that the accounting system should be able to record and analyze the transactions involved. A chart of accountant or the accountant code should be maintained which may correspond with the budget center for establishment of budgets and finally control through budget. It means here the adequate accounting record is necessary. Why accounting record is necessary? Because budget is related to the finance. Means financial, if we control the financial activities of the business organization, automatically the budget will be flow very effectively. Therefore, to study or preparation of adequate accounting records is necessary. Then establishment of budget committee. The senior persons or experienced persons are come together and form the establishment of budget committee. Then preparation of budget manual. Preparation of budget manual includes whatever key points that have to study in budgetary control that are identified and recorded in a particular manual. Then fixation of budget period. Fixation of budget period means the time limit is given, that within that time limit the budget should be finalized and approved by the top level management. Then laying down the level of activity. It is necessary to lay down the levels of activity which can be easily reached by the company. This level of activity is important in planning production. The next point is determination of key factors. Determination of key factor means the factors which are required to study in budgetary control. Key factor means the important factors which are responsible for preparation of budget. Such key factors should be studied properly so that the budgetary control can be done easily. So these are some steps followed in budgetary control. So in this lecture we have studied budget and budgetary control, budgetary committee, features of budgetary committee, objectives of budgetary control and steps in budgetary control. Now we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you class.